Hi, meet your new AI surgeon. I'm Alan Goh. I'm CEO and co-founder of NDR Medical. So we develop AI image-guided surgical robotics to empower doctors to perform better surgeries. At NDR Medical, our flagship product is ANT, which stands for Automated Needle Targeting. So it's an artificial intelligence-driven image-guided surgical robotic systems that empowers doctor to perform better surgeries. Surgery has become more complex these days because we are going into minimum invasive surgery. It becomes increasingly difficult for doctors to access smaller and smaller lesions within the body itself. And within different clinicians, there's disparity between the experience and the skill sets. So with our product, we hope to empower clinicians of all experiences. So these days, we are actually venturing overseas, like countries in Malaysia, in Japan, in Europe, to get data to conduct clinical trials that will give us sufficient data points to train our AI algorithm. In case you're wondering, ENT will not be replacing any jobs. We designed the robot to assist the doctors to perform better, more precise and safer surgeries.